Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this Renault Clio Iconic. This is the 5-door 1-litre petrol engine, new model car, so it's got the new style headlamps, new style wheels, new style dashboard. So it's the latest model in the range of Clio. Always been a fantastic car, the Clio, and this is no exception to it. So finished in the flame red metallic, which in this wonderful sunshine we're experiencing here today is in wonderful order. Car's sat on these multicoloured bike alloy wheels. Now they are in lovely condition, free from any real marks whatsoever. This is a wonderfully cared for car. 2 keys, 22,817 miles, so very nice mileage, 2019 69 registered. So as you can see, the latest style headlamp on these Clios just brings that right up to the modern day version, very similar to that of the Renault Megane. Now as I say, when you look round it, you can tell it's been truly cherished. All the wheels are in great condition, if near on perfect, riding on fantastic tyres. Now when I take a look down the side of the vehicle, the paintwork is all in very good condition, and this one has the benefit of the rear privacy glass. Keyless as well. You might see the keys or the car locking itself and the mirrors folding in as the keys are in my car, in my pocket. But as you can see, it's just locked itself again, and now as I approach the car it unlocks itself. Reverse parking sensors, very nice size boot in this one. Again, these smaller cars are becoming larger just to facilitate the modern growing family, so we're obviously a larger population now, and so the Clio is no exception. It just has grown up, but still keeping those very nice lines. So the door handles up in the top of the door there. Again, the driver's side mirrors that of the passenger and is free from really any trolley dent or imperfection. Again, the passenger wheel is the same as they all are, pretty much free from any blemish. So I give the driver a 10 out of 10 on this one, just because the wheels are in such good order. You can tell they've obviously never been near a curb. Tyres are all great. A couple of stone chips that are touched in with a pencil, but nothing more than anything. And if I didn't show you where they were, you wouldn't probably see them. So it's all locked there, but as I approach it, it automatically unlocks. I do like that. You don't have to touch anything, it just knows you're here. So this particular model, the Iconic, has electric windows, power folding door mirrors, electric door mirrors, and this lovely grey cloth interior, contrast stitch as well on that one. Now when I jump into the car, you can see 22,817 miles as I start it up, free from any warning lights or anything on the dashboard. Remote controls for your radio are down here. Turn that off. We've then got wipers, and I do know that it's automatic headlamps as well, and you can have everything up on the screen there. Your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth. Working to the center screen, that's a nice size screen. Gosh, 32 degrees, is that true? It's hotter here than in Europe. So, satellite navigation, if I select reverse gear, that then gets the reverse parking sensors on, and then all of these buttons on the touchscreen are very easy. Navigation, radio, music, phone, applications, I'm sure you'll find. Photographs. I always have photographs. I always wonder why you want to put loads of photographs on your car. Anyway, driver assistance, car configurator, and park assistance as well. Eco mode, central door locking, and then working down to the center console, we've got a nice ice cold aircon today. Put that on a bit, and then we've got auxiliary and 2 USB chargers. This one has a 5-speed manual gearbox and DAB radio. Leather trim steering wheel is very nice in the hand, and then we do have the radio controls there, and we've got cruise control on the left of the steering and the onboard computer. So the right hand side controls the dashboard up there, as you can see, and then flicks through the various functions on there. Radio, satellite navigation, economy, sign recognitions, and it needs a battery key. But apart from that, what a fantastic car. Now I don't smoke, I can tell the last owner was a non-smoker. Everything is immaculate in here. I'd say it's as nearly as new. It even has that smell of a new car, which for a 4-year-old car is pretty rare. Paintwork, as I say, is in gleaming order. In the back here, I'm sure somebody has sat in the rear of the car. but the condition of it is as new. It's in wonderful, wonderful condition. Buy this car in complete confidence from this video. That is a wonderful Clio, a testament to the previous keeper's care. So just to recap, we've got a 69 plate. It's done 22,817 miles. It's got 3 stamps in the service book. Have a look on our website on alphamotors.co.uk. You'll see I've taken a picture of all the stamps there, a mix of local dealer and the main dealer. But other than that, what a wonderful car. All the books are there, 2 keys, all HPI clear, fully warranted by ourselves. Part exchange and finance available. Give us a call. I'm Graham, there's Dom and there's Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Check out our reviews, check out our social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars offers. We've been in business now for more than 40 years here in Wigan, and I've got great reviews, so check out our reviews. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.